Okay, Matt. Here's the kind of updated elevation that is kind of based off of this thing here that you sent me. The biggest problem that we got, dividing the firewalls is no problem or anything, but the rhythm is in this image here is way different because they're identical left to right. They're also elevated. The reason why none of this was done this way was because this is what I was using as my kind of design inspiration, where we had everything was slab level. We had these and these mainly with the splits right here where we have horizontals and verticals. This is the image that I got from you in our initial meeting that's driving my design inspiration. Anyways, so if we do this above each entrance door, since the entrance doors are offset, you're going to have a different, you have rhythm, rhythm, opposite rhythm. Whereas these are going horizontal, the siding is vertical here, which is not necessarily a problem if that's a look you're going for, but it visually it is different than this right here. These also have ridge vents in each one, which is fine. That's a simple add in the field. It's not a problem. This also has the same vertical, then half like this. It's just a different design feel as opposed to where we're at with this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the ridge vents in here. But there's also, since this center one is a little bit wider than the other two, um, it's the reason why it's how the wall is laid out. It's just a little bit different. So this rhythm, and then this one here. If this is what you want, I will go ahead and add it. One other thing I would like to point out though is this is all in one straight line. There are no posts coming down here. Looks like there's a post there and a post there. Whereas this one, you've got a gable, no post, gable, no post, no post, gable. So just pointing these differences out and make sure we're on the same page. Now I can move this entire thing up where we're actually two steps. It's a step and then the landing. So I can move it up another 8 inches. However, if you're going to end up putting steps in, say, like these areas right here, and I'm just generically doing it right now, I'm not sold to any of this, but if you're going to put steps in those, as you look at the side elevation, this wainscot brick is going to go up another 8 inches or so, 8 to 12 inches. You're going to have a step here, and then back here you got to have a step out onto the back patio. So everything goes up and must go down. Just making sure we're the same on the elevations here. So this all goes up another 8 to 12 inches. The entire thing goes up. There's a step up to here. I'm sorry, there's a step up to here. There'll be handrail and then handrail around the front. Same way that was in the picture you had just sent me today. And just making sure, like at the back elevation here, all this goes up, and there's a step here, step here, step here, and you'll have to figure out handrail for these back patios as well, because it is an elevated surface. So let me know if you want to continue with all those points. If so, I'll go ahead and do them, and I will print out this front elevation for you just so you can see it kind of in black and white a little bit. Thanks. Let me know. Bye.